According to several recent surveys, some people fear public speaking more than anything else. Luckily, this fear can be overcome with two simple methods. Practice on using positive energy from the audience. Practicing for a speech is essential after the task of writing a speech is complete. Speakers must practice. The more times they practice the speech, the more comfortable they are discussing the topic. Using objects such as mirrors or video recording as they practice. Video is particularly helpful as it can be watched many times, with presenters focusing on one part at a time. Another way of dealing with public speaking fear is using the audience's positive energy. Speakers need to remember that the audience wants them to succeed. Something as basic as a small nod or smile from a member of the audience should give confidence to the presenters behind the podium. While it's easy for nervous speakers to focus on getting through the presentation, using the audience goodwill helps much in making a speech better. All in all, these two strategies are sure to help with fear of public speaking. With proper practice and audience empathy, it's possible to overcome the fear of public speaking and deliver a successful speech. So there's no need to fear public speaking anymore.